Hello everyone. This is the next question. Check if it is possible to split array. So what the problem says is you are given an array nums of length n and an integer m, and you need to determine if it is possible to split the array into n non-empty arrays by performing a series of steps. And here it is given that in each step you can split the array if it is of length at least 2. Yes, so let's understand it. The first input is 2 to 1 and the value of m is 4. So what my input is 2 to 1 and the value of m is 4. So here the n is 3 because the size of array is 3. What my task is to just split this array. So I can split it in 2, 2 and 1. So in this 2 plus 2 will be 4 and this is of size 1. So at least one of the conditions should satisfy here. So there are two conditions. Either the length of that subarray is 1 or the sum of elements of that subarray is greater than or equal to m. So in this split, the length of this subarray is 1, this one, and for this subarray, the sum of the elements is greater than or equal to m. So this is the valid split. Okay, and further we can split this array 2 comma 2 in two parts, which is 2 and 2. So this split is also valid because this is of size 1 and the subarray is also of size 1 and this is of size 1. So we can split this array. So the answer will be true. Okay, let's move to the second output, which is 2 1 3 and the value of m is 5. So here my input is 2 1 3 and the value of m is 5 and n is 3. Okay, so can I split this array? Let's quickly check. The first thing is 2 comma 1 and 3. Is it valid? No, because 2 plus 1 is 3, which is not less than or sorry, greater than or equal to m. This is valid, so we cannot divide it further this way. Let's explore some other. So let's take is 2 and 1 comma 3, right? So 2 is valid because the size of the subarray is 1, but if it is valid, then we can move further. 1 plus 3, which is 4, and which is not greater than or equal to m. So we cannot divide it this way also. So the answer will be false. Okay, let's check another input. 2 3 3 2 3 and m is 6. Input is 2 3 3 2 3 and the value of m is 6. Here n is 1 2 3 4 5. Can I divide this array? Let's check. The first split is 2 3 3 2 and 3. So this subarray is valid. Is this subarray valid? 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, 10, and it is valid because it is greater than or equal to 6. Yes, it is greater than or equal to 6. So my next step will be, now this is my array. Let's treat it 2 3 3 2. Let's divide it further. 2 3 3 and this is 2. Is this valid? This is valid because the size of this sub array is 1. But let's check this also. 2 plus 3 plus 3, 8, which is greater than or equal to 6. So this is also valid. Now let's treat this subarray as my input array. 2 3 3, right? Let's divide it further. 2 comma 3 and 3. Can I divide it this way? Let's check. 2 plus 3 is 5. Is this greater than or equal to 6? No. So I cannot divide it this way. Let's check another way. 2 and 3 comma 3. Can I divide it this way? Yes, because this is of size 1 and the sum of this is greater than or equal to 6. Yes. So let's treat this as my next array, 3 comma 3. Okay. So see, can I divide it further? Yes, 3 and this is 3. This is of size 1, this is of size 1 and this is of size 1. Right? So yes, my this input is valid and I can split this this array. Okay, so it will return true. Let's check this in code. So let's take a flag variable as 1 and